It's Principal Werfelman.
And VP Legare.
This month we have things going on everywhere.
Yes, here at Diven, March is such a great time.
And for some crazy reason, we can't help but rhyme.
Seriously though, do we have a bad curse?
No, it's Dr. Seuss's birthday, every year on March 1st.
Wait, but that's March 2nd.
Yeah, but that's Saturday, and we don't have school.
Oh, but do we have something going on that day, right?
Yup, and we're going to Dr. Seuss-Share, that and all our March events with everyone right now.
Oh, okay. Well, rhyming is cool. What a great way to share.
But let's stick to events. The 12th's the book fair.
Book fair, March 12th. Are you sure that that's right? At pickup, there's Girl Scouts, and later, math night.
You are correct. There's so much to do. Buy cookies, get new books, make math games.
Huzzoo!
Huzzah, don't you mean?
But that wouldn't rhyme. Sounds like the 12th will be quite a fun time.
Wait, Mr. W, there's more. Let's ask our guest. Hey, Splash, you excited about our book fest?
Ooh, that's March 2nd, right?
Yes, that's true. And then the next week, there's more stuff to do.
Healthy Dolphin, Happy Dolphin. That's all week long. Tuesday is family night with crafts, food, and song.
Song? Well, it's Zumba, so I guess you're half right.
I hope we'll see everyone there on that night. And then there's coffee, more Girl Scouts.
I didn't forget. That's the 19th, and now we're all set.
So you have no excuse.
Have fun at Diven.
Happy early birthday, Dr. Seuss.
Ta-da! That's the end.